What is up, guys? Welcome to yet another Integra vlog. And this one just so happens to be number 15, I think. Now, I know I've been a little behind on Integra vlogs. Actually, I've always been behind on Integra vlogs. I started recording these vlogs like a year ago, and pretty much I stacked up tons of episodes worth. Never even edited them. I still am behind by like 2. After this one I will be. So technically 1. You know, I'm really getting there. Eventually every Integra vlog will be like completely up to date, and you know, yeah. So pretty much I'm still having the same problem with this thing that I've been having since forever, it seems like now. Pretty much my air fuel ratio is jack. I'm running lean, getting way too much air than I should be, not enough fuel. For a while I was thinking it was my fuel pump. Now I'm starting to think it's my engine coolant temperature sensor because I was messing with the wiring. I also think I may have a problem with my wiring for my oil pressure switch sensor thing in the back. I've crimped stuff before with this car in the past, like 6 months ago, and everything that I look back at that I've crimped is just, I don't know, I thought I could put wires like together and not crimp the crimper thing without, you know, I don't know, it was stupid. Very stupid. I sucked that wiring. I don't suck as bad now, so I'm going to check that sensor. I'm going to check the coolant sensor just to be safe. My main thing that I now think has been messing with me this whole time, not my pump, not my engine coolant temperature sensor, not my oil pressure switch thing, but something as simple as my exhaust manifold gasket. It's a very cheap gasket, and let's just say like a week ago my head wasn't black. You see how it's all black like right there? It wasn't like that like a week ago. So yeah, I'm positive my O2s aren't happy about that, and that may be why I'm stalling out and running lean and I have all these problems. But just to be safe, after I check that gasket, which I have like a spare one over there, I'm gonna go ahead and check my sensors and stuff. I also have some O2 wiring back there that has always looked a little sketchy since I first bought the car. So yeah, as I said, I'm just gonna kind of mess around with my car. I'm not really going in any specific direction here, besides trying to get my car to not run lean and stall out and like not have power. Okay, on second thought, considering it's getting towards 4 a.m. Wait. Bro, camera, come on. Focus. What's focus? I don't know, you won't know, would you? Hey, you do know. Okay, there you go. It's been like a day and a half and I did nothing, and I'm finally getting into trying to mess with my car, and I'm just finding so many problems, one after the other, all at once. Everything is just coming down right at me. I'm really stressed out right now. My tires are about to blow, all 4 of them. My alignment is destroyed. My strut wells are totally cracking and flexing. You can see I got sensors that are being stupid. I have gaskets that are going bad. My entire frame is falling apart, cracks everywhere, rust is wanting to form on everything. Rub-a-dub-dub, 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 rub-a-dub-dub. Look at all this. Horrible. Those boots suck, leaking tons of power steering fluid. My belts are all bad. Literally everything on this car is falling apart all at once. Well, I've been up all night, and I haven't got too far at all. Actually, I've just been kind of hanging out all night, kind of tinkering with the car on the side. But this morning I actually started working on it, and I just pulled off the exhaust manifold. Look what I got here. Dirty, clean, clean, super dirty. As you can see, it's blowing by the exhaust manifold gasket. A little bit right here, and on the 2 in the middle, but mostly the 4th one. But I'm just going to put this one back on. Huh. This one was never on the B20, but look at that. Doing the same thing a little bit on the first, second, clean, third, pretty much considered clean, but then fourth, just blowing by. Oh, so it's my catalytic converter causing that. Because that's the same cat that was on the B18. That's what's going on here. I got a bad cat. Huh. So I guess I'm going to mess with the cat. Zach said I could get something like this and just cram it right through the cat for now. Just so my car can actually breathe and so it stops doing all this and actually can run properly somewhat. I don't exactly suggest doing it, but in my case I kind of have to. That makes me feel good that the other gasket's doing the same thing. Definitely my cat messing with me. Alright, so here's our culprit. Not exactly sure if it's good or bad yet, but it's definitely a very, very small passageway. You can see the light on the other side, and it's just a tiny little hole of light, so I'm guessing that's not good. Put it upside down. Alright, so as you can see, I have my cat in a bucket. I pretty much just filled it up with water, put a whole bunch of Dawn dish soap in there. As you can see, it got really dark just a second ago. Actually, I could see through it. Then I let it soak for not even about 30 minutes, and I also sprayed it really good with brake cleaner. So I'm probably about to take this thing out in a second and spray it down with the hose. Just let it dry out for a little bit, as much as I can. Alright, so I just rinsed the catalytic converter out with my hose, and I can definitely see through it a lot better. Well, I gotta say that cleaning the cat helped for, I'd say, about a day or so, until I drove it to Zach's house, and then it, I guess, really heated back up again and ended up just clogging itself all over again, I guess. If anything, it got way worse than it was before. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure something out. I always do, somehow. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Peace.